Welcome to today's review, where we dive deep into the 2025 Chevy Chevelle SS70, a car that has captured the hearts of many classic muscle car enthusiasts and is now returning with an updated twist. Today we'll take a detailed look at the interior, exterior, performance, and pricing of this iconic machine. First off, let's talk about the exterior of the 2025 Chevy Chevelle SS70. From the moment you see it, you're instantly reminded of the muscle car's legendary roots. The bold, aggressive lines and wide stance give it a commanding presence on the road. The front end features a sleek, reimagined grille with sharp LED headlights that retain the retro look, but with modern flair. The signature twin-scooped hood adds an air of power, hinting at the performance beneath the surface. The body, although inspired by the classic Chevelle design, has been upgraded with modern aerodynamics, a wider wheelbase, and carbon fiber accents that make it look both muscular and refined. The rear of the car doesn't disappoint either. The 2025 Chevelle SS70 comes with a quad exhaust system that enhances its muscle car sound, while a redesigned rear end, complete with a modernized spoiler and LED tail lights, offers a fresh update to the classic. The car sits on large, aggressive 20-inch wheels that are wrapped in high-performance tires, giving it an unmistakable stance that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Moving inside, the 2025 Chevelle SS70 is where the blend of vintage charm and modern luxury becomes really evident. The cockpit is designed for driving enthusiasts, offering a driver-fixed layout. The dashboard is minimalistic, featuring a large digital display that provides all the essential performance data, while retaining physical knobs and buttons for key functions, so you never feel disconnected from the driving experience. The steering wheel is chunky, leather-wrapped, and provides great feedback when you're pushing the car to its limits. The seats are a luxurious yet sporty affair. The front seats are performance bucket style, upholstered in high-quality leather and suede, providing excellent support during spirited drives. You'll find contrast stitching, embossed SS logos on the headrests, and a sporty touch that screams muscle car heritage. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a coupe, offering ample room for passengers, and feature the same leather upholstery as the front. Technology inside the cabin has received a major update. The 2025 Chevelle SS70 is equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system, ensuring you stay connected and entertained. The car also includes advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, which are perfect for those long highway drives. Under the hood, the performance of the 2025 Chevelle SS70 is where things get exciting. This modern-day muscle car is powered by a 16 2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 495 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers quick shifts and a smooth driving experience, though you can also opt for a 6-speed manual for those who prefer more control over their driving experience. The Chevelle SS70 can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds, making it a true competitor in the modern muscle car market. Handling has also been upgraded, with the incorporation of magnetic ride control and an independent rear suspension. The Chevelle SS70 offers an excellent balance of ride comfort and track-ready performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or hitting the corners on a winding road, the car remains stable and responsive. The Brembo brakes ensure you have plenty of stopping power even after pushing the car to its limits on the track. As for the price, the 2025 Chevelle SS70 starts at around $75,000 for the base model. If you're looking for additional features like the higher performance engine options, premium sound system, and more advanced tech packages, you can expect the price to climb to $85,000 or more. While this may seem like a hefty price tag, it's still competitive within the muscle car market, especially considering the performance, luxury, and heritage this car delivers. To sum it up, the 2025 Chevy Chevelle SS70 brings the best of both worlds. The classic muscle car styling and power with the modern luxury and technology that enthusiasts demand today. Whether you're after an aggressive street machine or a refined high-performance vehicle for daily driving, the Chevelle SS70 delivers on all fronts. The combination of timeless design, advanced tech, and heart-pounding performance makes this muscle car a worthy successor to the classic Chevelle legacy. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Chevy Chevelle SS70. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about this car, and if you'd take one for a spin. Sorry for watching. Now for 76th.